Now that I got my new iPhone 12 Pro 2 weeks ago, I thought I will make a video to share my views about it. I wanted to find 3 things that I hate about this iPhone but only figured out 2. And one that I kind of don't like but not that I necessarily hate it. But before that, let me tell you things that I truly love about it. Hey guys, this is Navi and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, it's lovely to have you. And this iPhone 12 Pro is the best phone I have seen in a long time. I just admire the design choices. This boxy design is reminiscent of good old iPhone 4 and 5s days. Nothing comes closer to its performance and design. The screen is completely flat, there is no roundness, no infinity display, etc. You remember those infinity displays from Samsung? When they came out, they looked mesmerizing. I even bought Samsung S8 for its beautiful display. But soon after buying, I realized the issue with it. Those accidental touches, and it was really difficult to put on a screen protector and avoid any scratches. I truly love this new trend of flat end-to-end screens on smartphones. This Super Retina XDR display is really precise and is great to look at from any angle. It gets really bright and works like a charm in outdoors. This year it is also covered in ceramic shield, which on paper makes it toughest smartphone glass in market. But unfortunately I cannot test it for you guys because this phone is really expensive and I cannot afford to buy another one. The stainless steel frame feels premium in hand and is overall more durable than aluminum frames. It gives you more confidence when holding and it will last you longer and will age gracefully. Let's talk about the camera array. Arguably the best smartphone camera combination in market, with a near perfect quality under any conditions. Apple has finally caught up with Google and Samsung in low light picture quality. It is totally transformational compared to my 3-year-old iPhone 10. But the reason I believe it is the best smartphone camera in the market is its video quality. For the first time ever, to record in Dolby Vision with 60 times more colors. As a beginner content creator, that is a blessing. It records 4K video at 24, 30 or 60 fps. It can record slow-mo videos at 120 or 240 fps in HD. To give you guys a comparison, my mirrorless Canon EOS M50 primary camera cannot do that. Well, not everything is rosy as it seems like. Let's talk about the things I hate about this iPhone. This notch. Are you kidding me, Apple? Even in 2020, you cannot find a way to shrink that notch. Even though after using an iPhone for 3 years, my mind has learned the art of ignoring it, I totally hate that notch in 2020, when all other manufacturers have that elegant punch hole solutions. Second thing I hate about this year's iPhone is its increased screen size. I understand the reason why they did it, to fit iPhone mini in the lineup this year. And maybe for some of you out there it is not such a big deal. If you are a gamer, then you would appreciate that extra screen space. But for me, iPhone 10 had a perfect screen size of 5.8 inches. It had a perfect blend of screen real estate and ease of use with one hand. 6.5 inch screen size feels slightly bigger to me, and I cannot reach from bottom of the screen to the top without changing my grip. And the last thing that I don't particularly hate but don't like about this iPhone 12 Pro is the stainless steel frame. It comes with its advantages mentioned previously, but its biggest disadvantage is the ability to exaggerately show fingerprint marks. I'm going to use a cover anyway, so that should not matter, but If you are someone who likes to use phone without a case, then it is something you need to keep in mind, and maybe look at iPhone 12, which comes with aluminum frame. And one thing that will not leave a fingerprint mark is this frosted back. It feels amazing and I would love to see it on every smartphone. If you like this review, then give it a thumbs up and share it on social media. Lot of work has gone into this video and money as well. And if you would like to see more of this, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new video. With that, see you in the next one. Have a great holidays and don't forget to exercise today.